In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Google Chrome from running in the background on your Windows PC. This is a quick and easy fix if you want to save system resources, reduce unnecessary background activity, and make sure Chrome fully closes when you exit the browser. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows PC. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can access all of the browser settings and options. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into the Chrome settings page, where we can change how Chrome behaves in the background. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different sections. Click System. This is the area that controls Chrome's background processes and performance-related options. Now, look for the setting that says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. By default, this option may be turned on, which means Chrome can keep running even after you close the main window. To stop that from happening, turn this setting off. Once it's disabled, Chrome should no longer keep background apps running after you close the browser. This is especially helpful if you want to improve battery life, reduce memory usage, or simply make sure Chrome is not active when you're not using it. After changing the setting, close Google Chrome completely, then reopen Chrome again so the new setting can fully apply. Once it's back open, close it normally one more time and Chrome should now shut down properly without continuing to run in the background. If you ever notice Chrome still behaving the same way, just double check that the setting is still turned off inside the system section. And that's it. You've now stopped Google Chrome from running in the background on your Windows PC. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.